Hey guys, this is Teddy from NorthFire. Today we are cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making chicken fajitas.
Along with your tortillas, you'll need assorted spices, I'll get to those later, shredded cheese, onion, chicken breasts, bell peppers, and olive oil. Cut your chicken into strips, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well and refrigerate for at least an hour. To the food tray, add 4 to 6 cubes of butter and melt for about 30 seconds. Add sliced peppers and onions. And cook for about a minute. Give them a little toss and cook for 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Move the tray to the bottom rack. To the drip tray, add a few cubes of butter, to melt and coat the bottom. Add your chicken slices to the tray. And cook for about 1.5 minutes. Toss the chicken, moving the back pieces to the front and the front pieces to the back, and flipping the browned sides down. Cook for an additional 1.5 minutes. To your tortilla, add your veggies, chicken, topped with shredded cheese and sour cream, and serve with salsa. It's as easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.